If you are an American working in Canada, then you should certainly watch this video, as there are tax obligations on both sides of the border that can impact you. Number 1. Are you a non-resident or a resident of Canada? There are 3 factors to look to when making this assessment. Number 1. Where is your home located? Number 2. Where are your spouse and children residing? And number 3. Where are your personal and economic ties strongest? The more ties that you have to Canada, the more likely it is that you will be a Canadian resident. Non-residents of Canada are taxable on their Canadian income only. However, residents of Canada are taxable on their worldwide income. Number 2, the 183-day rule. If you're an American staying in Canada for 183 days or longer, you will be deemed to be a resident of Canada. Remember, as a resident of Canada, you are liable for Canadian income taxes on your worldwide income. Number 3, filing a tax return. If you're an American working in Canada, you have to file a Canadian personal income tax return for the year, and this return is due by April 30th of the following year. Number 4, basic categories for filing personal tax returns in Canada. Category 1, you're working for a Canadian employer and receive a T4 slip. A T4 slip is like a W-2 slip in that it reports the amount of income you earned in Canada and the amount of taxes that have been deducted from your paychecks. Category 2. You receive a W-2 slip from your U.S. employer and have only worked for a couple of months in Canada. Even if you didn't receive a T4 slip, you still have to pay Canadian income tax based on the number of days you worked in Canada. Category 3. You receive a W-2 slip and a T4 slip from your U.S. employer. In this case, taxes are being deducted twice from your paychecks, once for U.S. payroll taxes and then again for Canadian payroll taxes. To avoid double taxation, consider having a waiver filed, known as Form W-4, to reduce your U.S. payroll taxes. Number 5, foreign tax credits. As a U.S. citizen or green card holder, you are required to pay U.S. income taxes on your worldwide income. At the same time, you have to pay Canadian taxes on your Canadian employment income. To avoid double taxation, claim a foreign tax credit on your American tax return. Number 6, Social Security taxes. As an American working in Canada, you have to contribute to Canada's pension plan, and you'll also have to pay Social Security taxes to the IRS. To avoid paying Social Security taxes twice, obtain a certificate of coverage from the Canada Revenue Agency, which will exempt you from paying Canadian Social Security taxes. Number 7, foreign assets in excess of $100,000. If you're considered a tax resident of Canada, you must disclose any assets outside of Canada having a cost of more than 100,000 Canadian dollars. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks again and see you next time.